Alleged home invader shot and killed by off-duty policeman in Manchester. 2 men killed, another injured in Gregory Park shooting. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An investigation has been launched into the fatal shooting of one of 2 men who allegedly attacked an off-duty policeman at home in Manchester on Sunday. It is reported that about 12:20 a.m., the policeman was at home in New Green when 2 men invaded his premises and pointed guns at him. He reportedly pulled his licensed firearm and fired at the men who fled the scene. The policeman sought assistance and the area was searched. The unidentified man was reportedly found in bushes with gunshot wounds. The Independent Commission of Investigation has launched a probe into the matter. A shooting on Sunday afternoon in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, has left 2 men dead and another injured. The incident occurred around 2:45 p.m. along the Gregory Park Main Road. The deceased have been identified as Kemar Williams, also known as Ghetto Bear, a 29-year-old tire repairman from Main Street, Gregory Park, and a man known as Odane Beale. The injured person is a taxi driver and a bar operator. According to reports, the men were chatting and drinking when a green motor car pulled up. 2 armed men exit the vehicle and opened fire on the group. Williams was shot in the upper body, while Beale sustained gunshot wounds to his hip, thigh, and the back of his head. The victims were rushed to hospital, where Williams and Beale were pronounced dead on arrival. The other man was admitted in stable condition. 9 spent 9mm casings and bullet fragments were reportedly recovered from the scene by detectives. Investigation is ongoing.